back to my channel. My name is Angela. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be creating a get ready with me video. I don't think I've done this in quite a while, so if you guys want to get ready with me and watch me ramble my way throughout the video, just keep on watching. Hey guys, I'm going to start off by doing foundation. I'm using the Stay Oil Free Matte Foundation. This is the Clinique foundation that I go back and forth. So I ran out of my the Urban Decay foundation that I had started using, and I was too lazy to go back to the store to get more, so I'm just gonna use the Clinique foundation. This is a lighter shade. I usually use the shade Sienna. This is Clove. I ran out of foundation, so I'm just using my sister's foundation. Hopefully it looks good. I used to use this shade before and I realized on camera that it used to look so light. Prior to YouTube, I thought it was my right shade, but when I started doing YouTube, I noticed that it was not my shade. So I was like, crap, I need to find my right shade. But my skin is getting lighter because I've been using a different skincare routines. I'm going to share that with you guys soon. So this should work out well. It looks so light though, oh my gosh. Whoa. I'll blend it out so we're not looking crazy. Anyway, so today the family and I are going to King's Dominion. Today's the last day of summer, so we wanted to do something fun. We all haven't gone to a theme park in so long, like together as a family. So today should be fun. The weather is beautiful, so it's gonna be exciting. I can't wait to share with you guys the new skin regimen that I've been following. Oh my goodness, it's been doing wonders for my skin. Remember how I was struggling? I told you guys about it. Ever since that Burt's Bees horror story, oh my goodness. I didn't think there was light at the end of the tunnel, but I am slowly but surely restoring my skin. I'm wearing a off-shoulder romper, so I think I am going to use this bronzy stuff. This is the Glow Motions Copacabana bronze. I might use that on my shoulder blades, you know, to just give them a pop. So I started contouring my nose like this before I highlight, so it could be a guide to my highlight around the bridge of the nose and the sides. Oh, I'm gonna blend that out because it looks crazy. That's crazy. You know, when you go to a theme park, you get you're running up and down, you're getting hot, it's just so much going on, your adrenaline is on 100. So I want to make sure that my makeup stays on the whole day, you know? I don't know if I should vlog while I'm there. We'll see. I'm going to use the Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC. This is in the shade NC45 to highlight. Because this product dries out quick, I like to blend as I go. And I'm not putting too much. Trust me, a little goes a long way. My forehead, I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna set the highlight now. Oh gosh. I did create a video showing you guys how to highlight and contour, and oh my god, I had to delete it because I didn't feel confident. I just didn't think it was informative enough. I just deleted it. I was like, no thanks. not happening. But I will recreate that video again so you guys can see how I really do it. Do highlight and contour. The highlight is on, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows. We will contour after working on the brows and the eyes. I'm trying to grow my eyebrows out so they can have more volume and they can look nicer when I do my makeup. So let's see how that will go. I say that a million times and I end up threading or waxing them, so I hope I can stick to the plan this time around. So with fashion blogging, sometimes, well actually with blogging in general, bloggers face something that you call a writer's block or a blogger's block, which essentially means you run out of things to write about, things to talk about. Sometimes I face that a lot on YouTube, and I think it's because I don't have a large following yet. So doing personal stuff like, let's talk about this, let me talk about my experience about this, it's hard to do that because you don't have that audience that's there to commit to listening to you ramble about your life, you know? And I was creating a video on wedding planning stuff and my experience. When I was filming it, in the middle of filming it, I noticed that I was talking a lot about my personal experience. So the video is titled Tips to Consider When Planning Your Own Wedding. I will link it so you guys can see. When I was editing the video, and I had to take out a huge chunk of footage that was talking about myself, my experience. I had to take that stuff out because I was like, people are not gonna watch this whole video. They're just coming to get tips on wedding planning. So I just made it super informative. Realized that I was being too personal in the video, so I had to delete a chunk of footage so that it would be more informative than personal. So yeah, that's always a struggle with creating footage because you just never know. You kind of have to know your audience, and if it's not huge, then personal things like creating a get to know me video, I can't do that because who's gonna get to know me? But for now, it's more informative videos, you know, people that go on YouTube to look for tutorials and stuff. That's kind of my main focus now because of the audience that I have. Eyebrows are done. I'm not gonna spend too much time on them because I would spend too much time on them. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing eyes. I'm gonna keep the eyes very neutral because I don't want the makeup look to be too dramatic. I'm going with impact. It doesn't have to be too extra. Maybe I picked up a little too much. I'm just gonna blend that in. So I'm using the Morphe Second Nature palette. I should grab this for that. I like to use an urban smoky orange for my transition color. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I do that a lot. It just makes life so easy, makes my eyes pop more. Right, so for the let's see, I'm gonna go in with a dark color for the outer corner. I'm using this pointy brush. It's like pointy at the top because I want it to create depth around this crease part. You know, to make me look like I don't have a hooded lid. You guys gotta check out that video. I did create a video that really goes in details about this technique. It helps, trust me. If you have hooded lids, this technique will help your life and your soul and your entire existence. So my brother planned this whole King's Dominion trip thing, and he told us that we're supposed to leave the house at 9 a.m. So I was like, you technically want people to leave at 8 a.m. but you're telling them 9 because of college people time? He's like, yeah. I'm like, good luck. Just aim for noon. Because no one is gonna be done by then. And it's actually 9 a.m. as I speak. I'm so mean. I am contributing to the problem. I just think it's just too early. It's Saturday. People don't want to get up so early. And I told him, I was like, buddy, good luck on that. No one is gonna get up at that time. It is too early. And just apply concealer again. So do you guys see what I just did? Every time I apply concealer, I immediately put the lid color on. So basically the color sets the concealer, which is the purpose. It holds it in the whole day, literally the whole day. That's why I don't let it dry out. I'm gonna go in with that pointy brush and blend at the corner like this. I'm gonna go in with that blending brush, get a little bit of the transition color and go in and blend at the top. I'm going to apply lashes. I'm using these lashes that I picked up from Walmart. This is Brittany Bear lashes. They look nice. They look like wispies. So I am going to use these. And these are called Exotic. Because I'm going to apply glue on the lashes and get right into contouring. Because Angela is running late and people are going to be mad at me. Now I'm just contouring. Now that I think about it, the Urban Decay foundation that just came out, the one I was telling you guys earlier, I think it will be perfect for winter because my skin gets dry in the winter time. I mean, I have oily skin, but it tends to dry out. Not in a way that bothers me, but I think that that foundation would be perfect for the winter time because it would moisturize my skin. What would we do without contouring and highlighting? I mean, I know my face would look round all the time because I have a round face. Just gonna pull my hair back and just get right in there. So I'm applying the dark color we used for the outer corner at the bottom of my lashes. I am going to apply mascara. So now I'm setting the contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronze powder. Using that color we used for the transition shade as a blush. And to highlight, I'm using this MAC Voluminous Golden Bronze powder, bronzer, you know what I mean? A blending brush, so it's not looking harsh. Just cleaning up my lips. I think I'm gonna wear liquid lipstick. This is Baracuda by Colourpop. I'm gonna start off by lining my lips, because I don't want them looking funny. Ooh. Lips are done. I'm finishing off the look by setting it with the Prep and Prime Fix Spray, Fix Plus Spray by MAC. Ooh. Before I run, I need to bronze this area right here, so I'm gonna put the camera down so you guys can see how I do it. I'm gonna use a beauty blender to do that because why not? Oh, let me open this up. Maybe that's a little too much, but it's okay. I will blend it in. And one thing I like about this product is that it dries up, so you don't have to worry about it staining your clothes or people's clothes when you hug them. It's always a plus. Joey, I'm filming, but you can come in.
What?
You can come in.
Oh, you're filming?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah?
So I like to also bring it up my neck like this to just get that extra shimmer. Shimmer pop. Yes. Shoulder blades, you know, the whole 9 yards. Guys, this is the finished look. I am done here. I am ready to go on some roller coasters and scream like a little girl. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the big subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.